everyone, Sashikal, welcome to my channel and welcome to the second Steal the Style video of 2019. Well, if you're aware of this series, then you might have seen these kind of videos about so many other Kapoors. Sonam Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor, Karisma Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor. So why not one more Kapoor? Janhvi Kapoor. Yeah. I know that sounds lame, but that's a fact. I mean, that's true. I've done these kind of videos for so many other actresses, and today it's all about Janhvi Kapoor. And moreover, because recently I did a similar video about Sara Ali Khan, so this video was inevitable. Yeah, I mean, people did pit them against each other even before the big Bollywood breaks. I mean, we are unable to understand that these two are different. You know, they have got different personalities, they act in a different way, they are beautiful in their own way, but we just want them to compete with each other. But let's just end it right away. There won't be any kind of competition in today's video. If you want to check Sara Ali Khan's secrets, I'll share the link to that video in my description box below. Now let's talk about Janhvi Kapoor, the daughter of late actress Sridevi and Bonnie Kapoor, who made her acting debut with Dhadak. She has got supple skin, long tresses, and of course the acting genes from her mother. So if you are a fan and you always wonder how she looks beautiful and gorgeous even outside her gym, this video is going to give you some really good insights, so please keep on watching.
Janhvi keeps her beauty regime natural. She drinks a lot of water in a day. You might have seen her pics with that pink glittery bottle. She loves using honey and malai on her face almost every day. She uses almond oil and vitamin C serum on her face too. She uses a rich moisturizer for her face and a water-based one for the body. Before going to sleep and after removing her makeup, she always uses a good amount of moisturizer. She also tries to sleep on time. She likes using eggs, beer and methi on her hair. According to Janhvi, her mom Sridevi would make hair oil at home with dried flowers and amla. She used to massage both of her daughters' hair every 3 days. Janhvi loves different hairstyles, especially cornrows and braids. Janhvi knows the importance of a fit and healthy body. She likes core strengthening exercises. She does cardio and weight training too. She also likes jogging and swimming. She does yoga for 1 hour 3 times a week. Janhvi is fond of makeup, but instead of applying a lot of makeup, she uses smarter products or techniques. She loves to look natural on daily basis. She uses a very light foundation, and that too by Giorgio Armani. For touch-up and for those under-eye bags, she prefers a concealer. She sets her face with MAC Prep and Prime finishing powder. She uses lip balm daily. She uses pink color palette to blush her cheeks. She has also learned the technique of curling her eyelashes before using a mascara. She loves using an eyeliner and loves bold cat eye. She uses MAC Prolong Wear Black Track eyeliner. On a day off, she uses only a moisturizer, a light lip tint, and loves using a lot of mascara. She is fond of peachy, earthy eyeshadows with gold for day look and smoky eyes for night. She is a fan of Bobbi Brown mauve lip pencil and lipstick. She likes nudes or light color lipsticks to let her eyes do the talking. When it comes to her perfume, she likes floral and oceanic fragrances.
So those were Janhvi Kapoor's secrets. I hope you like this video, and let's do it once again. If you have a favorite actress and you want me to do a similar kind of video about her, you want to know her secrets, how she takes care of her skin, hair, makeup and workout, please write her name in the comment section below. If you like today's video, big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also you can press the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notified with each upload. That's it. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye-bye.